Okay, so here we are again. So I've got a couple of things more to show you. One day we were asking for 48 scale invaders and large scale invaders, and then a whole lot of them come along at the same time. So first off, this one has been out a little while. This one's taken us a little while to get hold of. If you've got the original gun nose version or standard version, this is the 1/32 scale Hobby Boss A26C. This one's got the glass nose in it and the different canopy on it. It's still got all the issues that people talk about. It's got the wrong engines in it and things like that. But as I said, the one I showed you a while back that I'm still working on, the kit itself goes together beautifully. I actually love this version of the aeroplane, along with the Navy one, which these guys won't do. Of course, this comes with the glass, basic single gun. It's got a choice of a black scheme or a silver scheme, both glass noses. One's World War II, one's Korea. As I said, lovely kit, 32nd scale. If you just want to build a kit and have a pretty good representation of a 32nd scale Invader, this is the one to do. So, the other one I want to show you is the next one in the ICM 48 scale Invaders, and this is a kit. This has been asked for every time an Invader 48 scale or 72nd scale Invader comes out. This is the one that they took to Vietnam, and because they were looking for a aircraft that could loiter a bit and carry a bit of weight and everything else, so they, a group called On Mark basically took an old Invaders and converted them. A lot of people were sceptical whether ICM would actually go to town and really do a K model. They'll just do the parts like an engines and props and things like that. No, they haven't. They've really gone to town on this kit. This is a proper K model. They've done all the bits and pieces that you need, to the point where you're going to end up with a lot of extra parts, because they give you new wings, they give you new fuselage, they give you all sorts of bits and pieces and all the rest of it. What they do give you, that's the weapon set for it. Now that's also available as a standalone if you want to add more weapons to it or add some other bits and pieces to it. But that's also available in the kit. That comes with the kit. This is all the K parts, basically. This is the piece for the top deck. There's your square tip propellers, different cockpit parts. There's also wingtip tanks, slightly different engines. That's for the Congo version, if you want to do the later Congo version, which had different intakes on the top of the wing. So they've done everything that they need to do a K. So it's not just some sort of random bits and pieces. This is really a good K model. So as I said to you, that's the original kit that they give you. So you end up with all these extra wings and some bulkheads, and use bits and pieces out of the kit for it all. But yeah, look, it's just really, 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 really nice. So you get, this is your wings, propellers. That's the cap to go on top. Slightly different ailerons, all the sorts of bits and pieces there. You can even see the wings are already recessed, so that you put the weapons load pylons into the wings. There's another set of wings. There's your tip tanks as well, a bit more cockpit parts, all those sort of Bombay doors. The only thing that these guys haven't done, there was an RB26K that had camera doors on the Bombay doors. That hasn't been done, but I wouldn't be surprised if they do an RB26K in the future, or you'll be able to get them from aftermarket people, so that'll be pretty cool. Tailplanes, all the rest of it, new. That's a replacement piece. Oh, sorry, that's a leftover piece. This is all your pylons, aerials. There's all sorts of things there. There's also new bits for what used to be the gunner station at the back, so they've converted it to a radar operator station. So that's all pretty cool. The other thing I was looking for, there's the rudder. It's got the wide version rudder, which is correct for the K. It's got part of the reason you got a new fuselage is there's the vortex generators for the fin, which were fitted to the K model. So essentially you've got everything you want to have there. You've got 4 choices of markings, all in the Southeast Asia scheme. I reckon that they'll do a Latin war or Latin aircraft as well at some stage. Markings wise, that's all the main parts of it. And then that's all the thing. And then that's all the different schemes. So you've got special K, Mighty Mouse, which is my favourite. Sweet Therese in there. So there's probably 4 of the main. They've chosen all 4 of the main aircraft that were most documented during the Vietnam War. So, so as I said, if you've been waiting for a K, and I have been for a long, long time, I love the airplane, love the mean look of it. By the time you add all the weapons and bombs and all the rest of it, it will look awesome. This is also going to be released in the future as with the kit and the Vietnam figures as well. So if you want to sort of wait for that and get the kit with the figures, go for it. But to be honest, I'm probably going to do a couple anyway, so I'll be getting both of them. So go from there. Other than that, guys, have a great day. Talk to you soon. Take it easy. Bye.